Hello students, a very good morning to all of you and a very warm welcome to your maths classes. We have started a chapter sequence and series and we have solved many questions. While studying the chapter, we came across through many new things. We understood what a geometric progression is, what a arithmetic progression is, along with that, how to calculate the values of geometric mean and arithmetic mean. Now in the same chapter, we come across a new kind of series which we call special series. And now we will study the sum to n terms of special series. So first we need to understand what is a special series. Let us take an example. Let us suppose we have been given to the series 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 and so on up to 10 plus 10. We have to find the sum of this series. We have a very simple method. First one, we will add the terms the way we have done in our lower classes and then we are going to write the sum in here. The second method, clearly the series is in AP, arithmetic progression. Common difference कितना है? 1 का है. So we can apply the formula for arithmetic progression, the sum of n terms of AP, and then we will get the simplified form. Now, in this exercise, we are going to learn 3 formulas for the special series. Let us suppose we have to add n natural numbers. First, n natural numbers. यानी कि 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to nth term. यानी कि हमें क्या करना है? First n natural numbers को add करना है. तो हम उसके लिए एक formula use करेंगे. We are going to use a formula for that. Let us suppose the given series is this, where 1 is the first natural number, this is the second natural number, and so on up to nth natural number. Now we are going to find the sum of this series. Here we are using a symbol. This symbol is called summation. इसका मतलब होता है sum करना. यहाँ summation n का मतलब है n की वैल्यू चेंज होगी. 1 से n जहाँ क्या है नेचुरल नंबर है, तो नेचुरल नंबर की वैल्यू पहले 1 लिखेंगे, plus 2 plus 3 and so on. Now the formula for summation n is n plus 1 by 2. Now we will prove if the formula is correct or not. Let us suppose we are taking value of n as 3. If n is equals to 3, then यहाँ से हमें क्या मिल जाएगा? 3 into 4 upon 2, that is 6. यानी कि अगर हमें n की वैल्यू 3 रखी तो we got the answer 6. Now let us suppose this here we have the series, and in the sequence in the series we have only 3 terms. n equals to 3. So 1 plus 2 plus 3, the answer is 6. Similarly, we can put n is equals to 100 and we will see that the value comes out to be the same as if we have added it by the method that we have used in our lower classes. So this is the formula for sum of first n natural numbers. Now let us suppose we have another series in which we have to find the sum of square of n natural numbers. Sum of squares of the first n natural numbers, that is 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and so on. Now what is the value of this? The value of n can be from 12 or 13 or 25 or anything. So now we are going to discuss this, and the series will be like 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square and so on up to n square. So the sum of first n numbers with their squares, n natural numbers with their squares is, it is denoted by summation n square, and the value is equal to n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6. This formula can also be verified. What we are going to do is, we are going to put n equals to 4 and we are going to simplify this. So 1 plus square, 2 plus square, 3 plus 4. We will simplify these two values by both different methods, and we'll see at the end that the values come out to be equal. So this was the sum of squares of the first n natural numbers. Now we will see how to find the sum of cubes of first n natural numbers. That is, the series that is given to us is 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube and so on up to n cube. So if we have n natural numbers and we want to find the sum of their cubes, like 1 cube, 2 cube and so on. So the formula for this is represented by summation n cube and the formula is n plus 1 by 2 whole square. You can clearly see that the value, when you are going to put the value of n, any value there you are going to put, and then you are going to simplify it. From both the cases the answer is going to be same. So these are the three special series with the help of which we are going to solve exercise number 9.4. Again, I would like to remind you that the first series is sum of first n natural numbers, and the answer is equals to, the formula that we are going to use is n plus 1 by 2. Similarly, if we have to find the sum of squares of first n natural number, then the formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 upon 6. And if we have to find the cube of first n natural numbers and then their sum, then that is equals to n into n plus 1 upon 2 whole square, as it is mentioned on the board. Now on the basis of this information, on the basis of this data, we are going to solve the fourth exercise of your chapter sequence and series. From exercise 9.4, the first question is the sequence that has been given 1 into 2 plus 2 into 3 plus 3 into 4 and so on. This is the required, this is the series that has been given, and the question is find the sum to n terms in each of the series. See, while watching this, the first thing that we have to do is we have to find the nth term. कभी भी जब हम nth term find करेंगे उसके बाद ही हम formula apply कर सकते हैं. So the first step after you see this question is to find the nth term. In order to find the nth term, we can divide the series into two parts. The first part will have terms 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, and the second part will have the term 2, 3, 4 and so on. तो अगर हमें nth term निकालना है, that is Tn, then for the first time we will have, before writing this series, first part of the series will be 1, 2, 3 and so on up to nth term, and the second series has a term 2, 3, 4 and 4 like this. So when we have to find the nth term Tn, हम फर्स्ट सीक्वेंस के लिए निकालेंगे और फिर सेकंड सीक्वेंस के लिए निकालेंगे और उनको मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. For the first sequence, first term is a, nth term का formula a plus n minus 1d. Here we have a equals to 1. 1 plus n minus 1 into d. d की value भी 1 है. Similarly, in the second bracket we have 2 plus n minus 1 into d, that is again equal to 1. Now we have the nth term as n into n plus 1. n की वैल्यू आपने 1 रखी तो 1 into 2 पहला टर्म मिल गया, n की वैल्यू 2 रखी 2 into 3 सेकंड टर्म मिल गया एंड so on. So like this what we have done, we have calculated the nth term of this sequence. Tn is equals to n into n plus 1. This can be written as n square plus n. Now we have to find the sum of the series. So sum of this series equals to summation n square plus n. Once we find the nth term, we are going to apply summation on that, and that will give us the sum of the series. So summation n square plus n. आपको पता है कि summation की property है, हम उसको प्लस के साइन पे अलग कर सकते हैं. तो we will have summation n square plus summation n. Now you remember the formula n plus 1 2n plus 1 upon 6 plus summation n. The formula is n plus 1 by 2. Now we are going to simplify this, and once we simplify this, we will get the sum of n terms. In both the parts, we have n plus 1 by 2 as common. So in the bracket, we will be having 2n plus 1 upon 3 plus 1. Once we simplify this, n plus 1 by 2 into 2n plus 1, here we have the denominator as 3. So 3 plus 1, 4. So we will have 2n plus 4 upon 3. From this we can take, from this side of the bracket we can take 2 common, and we will have n plus 1 upon 2. 2 taking common, we will have n plus 4 upon, n plus 2 upon 3. Now these two will be cancelled, and we will have the answer n plus 1 n plus 2 by 3. So this is the required answer which we have got by using this method. Now what we are going to do, in all the series from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, question number 6 and 7, in all the questions, we are going to find the nth term first. After that, we are going to find the sum of the series. Now we will see question number 8. Question number 8 is, you have to find the sum of n terms of the series, and the question is n plus 1, n plus 4. This is the nth term that we have, and we have to find the series. So sum of series equals to, what will be the sum? First you are going to simplify this, and then you are going to apply the summation. तो summation बाहर रखते हैं, ब्रैकेट में हो जाएगा n into n square plus 5n plus 4. That is equal to summation n cube plus 5 n square plus 4n. Now summation can be taken for each term. So first we have summation n cube, then summation 5 n square, and then summation 4 into n. Again, We know the formula for summation n cube. क्या होता है? n plus 1 by 2 whole square. 5 कांस्टेंट है, 5 को हम समेशन के बाहर ले सकते हैं, बाहर समेशन के लिए हमें 5 को, and we will have summation n square, that is n plus 1 2n plus 1 by 6, and in the last we have 4n. तो 4 को हमने समेशन के बाहर ले लिया, and we will have the value n plus 1 by 2. Now आप इसमें से n plus 1 कॉमन ले सकते हैं, n plus 1 by 2 कॉमन ले सकते हैं. इसको सिंप्लीफाई करेंगे सिंपल तरीके से, इसको जिसका लोएस्ट फॉर्म है वहां पे लेके आएंगे, and that will give you the sum of n terms of this series. So like this only you are going to solve question number 9 and 10. Also you are going to solve miscellaneous. In the miscellaneous, the questions are based on all the 3 concepts that we have studied, that is arithmetic progression, geometric progression and the special series. So we are going to solve all the questions of the miscellaneous. If there is a doubt, we will discuss it in the next lecture, or else we are going to start with a new chapter on the next turn, that is straight lines. So start studying properly, and most important, prepare for your Viva, and then we will start with the next chapter on the next turn. Thank you, class.